So in this video, we are going to see about machine learning life cycle. So what are the steps are there in order to build a model or train a model and then deploy it accordingly. So machine learning has given the computer systems the ability to automatically learn without being explicitly programmed as per the definition. But how does a machine learning system work? So it can be described using the life cycle of the machine learning. So machine learning life cycle is a cyclic process to build an efficient machine learning project. The main purpose of the life cycle is to find solution to the problem or project. Machine learning life cycle involves 7 major steps. Of course, some further divide into 10 or 12 also. Yeah, we are taking the number 7 here. First is the gathering data. So we need to source the data wherever it is available, and it could be different forms or formats or so locations and all. But we need to pull the data. And once we make the pipelines, some like these data engineers mostly do this part, but still in data scientists also supposed to do this part. So gathering data, we need to gather the data somehow, and then we need to prepare the data. Once we prepare the data, we need to apply some transformations, and we need to arrange the data, and like it is useful for some analysis and all. So this step is called data wrangling. Data wrangling is a very crucial step in the whole process. We need to make use of the data in such a way that we can find a solution to that data. Sometimes we may use data, we may pick the data certain features depending upon the problem statement or whatever the project requirement. Okay, then analyze the data, like bring all the statistics and do EDA, exploratory data analysis, and bring the insights out and make all the possible things so that we can get the more explainability towards the data, and then train the model. Once this is done, under analysis of data, we'll get a conclusion or evidence or support from the analyzed data. Okay, you can go with this algorithm, or you can approach either classification, regression, clustering, association, reinforcement, like based on the problem, whatever we are trying to solve. Based on that, we can take that, and then we keep the things. So there we need to pick a algorithm. Okay, this algorithm is suitable. Like there are many, like decision tree, linear regression, logistic regression, support vector machine, DB scan, k-means clustering. Like various kind of models are there, like algorithms are there. That algorithms can be trained. Once the training is done, we need to test the model by slicing some data from the, before training the data, we need to slice the data, and then from that slice it for some portion of it for the training, and the other portion is for the testing. And the testing, if the testing is good, like if the one results are, we have to use certain metrics and then test it accordingly. If these metrics are satisfactory, then we need to go for the deployment. There are many platforms are there to deploy. Mostly it is an integration to the application, and once it is integrated to the application, then we need to deploy. That is the deployment process. Okay, this is all about the machine learning lifecycle.